Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to align text in Google Doc. Let's begin. First, open Google Doc. Here, select the text you want to align or indent. On top, you can see here align and indent. Just click on this. Now, select the alignment according to your preferences. Left alignment, middle alignment, right alignment, and justify. These are the options to align your text in Google Doc. This is so easy. This is the basic feature to align and indent text in Google Doc. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.